Hi, I'm Greg Brown.
I'm David Ivey. It's Dynamic Discussions.
This is another installment in a weekly video series where we're bringing you about safety products and how to use them. This week's question is from Albert in Texas, and he wants to know, are inspections required annually for your fall protection equipment?
So your fall protection equipment is required to be inspected at least annually. So depending on your equipment and your working conditions, it may vary. It may need to happen more often.
The OSHA language is very clear that it needs to be inspected annually by a competent person, but you need to be doing a pre-use inspection every day by the user as well.
So your pre-use inspections are just a standard daily inspection you'll do on your fall protection. So it just takes about a minute to go over, make sure it works, make sure everything's legible. Now your competent person inspection will be more in depth. It'll take much more time. It's going into the very specifics, doing a full inspection of let's say it's a harness, so you're going to look into the nitty gritty of it. So you're looking at the webbing, you're looking at all the grommets, you're making sure there's no rust or corrosion on the harness.
And your lifeline, depending on what you're using, whether it's a self-retracting lifeline, a lanyard, or some sort of restraint device, it always has to be documented. One thing when we go out and do inspections, we see a lot of it is that your first date is not documented and your inspections are not documented, the prior inspections. Those are things that can generally be overcome in an inspection, unlike some frayed webbing or something like that. But it is important that you follow the letter of OSHA to the T.